I honestly could not believe when I saw this picture. The entire country of Cuba is without power after Hurricane Ian. Just to put this in perspective, you can fit 1,126 islands of Puerto Rico inside of Cuba. And while the entire island doesn't have any power, there's one spot in Cuba that lit up. If we zoom in closer, that is Varadero. If you guys don't know what Varadero is where all of the tourist hotels are. And of course, they have power. But I thought the embargo. As of right now, both of our families, Joel and I's, are from Pinar del Rio, literally where the hurricane passed, and we haven't been able to get a hold of them. So fuerza para Cuba y patria y vida.